I'm Danny Epstein. Please blow up my car. We got cherry Coke spilled all over here. The AC has mildew all up inside of it from when I spilled 2 sodas over here. And it doesn't actually blow hot or cold air. It just blows air. And the amount of mold that's inside of it has made the smell of just rancid radiator fluid grossness. This all, it may look like it's unnecessary and it's just trash, but it's all actually, there's a purpose for everything. This blanket is here for when my car breaks down and I need to bundle up and sleep, or when I get evicted and I can't afford rent. This water bottle here is because the washer fluid is non-existent in my car and it's like melted on, so I can't unscrew the thing in order to pour washer fluid into it, so I have to pull water out there. This plugs into my phone so I can talk. Gotta keep my hair nice anyways. And the most part is it just covers up the stain from when the soda spilled. This is gross. Here's my trunk. It's pretty big. You could like fit a bunch of explosives in it. That'd be really cool to blow it up. Huh.